Here we go, what I could afford again. We are playing high connection loss. That's cool. We'll just play. Come on. Come on. Come on. Custom games. Oh, 8. Capture the flag. I might as well just do that. Okay.
What?
It did it again. Today we're gonna play Mortal Kombat 4 and I hope I will get so much kills and dominate everyone else. Okay, here we go, guys. Gonna play the game.
Secure the enemy flag and return it to your base.
What the? Everyone's so slow. What is this? This place. No, I did not do that.
Enemy flag dropped. Go get it.
Hey, flag dropped.
We have their flag.
Sprint.
Enemy flag dropped. Retrieve it.
Whoa, what was that? I'm getting shot. What the heck? He was not there. I can tell you he was not there. Oh, come on, hurry up.
The enemy retrieved their flag.
Hey, move out the way. I did not press.
Enemy flag
Don't
taken.
start with you.
Enemy flag dropped. Secure it.
Oh, thanks a lot. You saved my life.
The enemy secured their flag.
Really bad at this game as well, that's the thing. It's like my second time. No, I did not do front lead. Oh crap, someone's dead too. Oh, it's just a teammate.